Good evening, Greg. Citron here again from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. First of all, thank you again for showing interest in our beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Kona, okay? All-wheel drive. So I know we spoke this morning. I wanted to follow up from that conversation with a quick video. So we have several pulled up here, as you can see. I got the one that I want to show you right here. So here in the front, Greg, a beautiful honeycomb grille with the LED wraparound headlights, LED daytime running lights, and the premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, LED turn signal and blind spot detection on the mirrors. This is a push to start. On the interior, we got a nice 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your lane keep assist, your lane departure warning, you got the heated passenger driver seats, drive mode select, you name it. All the safety and technology features are in this vehicle. But Greg, the best part here about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles, which is unheard of. Greg, I can't wait to meet you and your friend that you mentioned earlier that you were looking for. My name is Citron from Tameron Hyundai. My number is 703, area code 505-1598. Again, you're going to love the way you're treated at Tameron Hyundai.